guitar.com, and this is how to play a version of Good King Wenceslas. Now, this is my favorite version of Good King Wenceslas. It's got kind of a folky Americana feel about it, and I'm going to show you how to play it. Usually for a G chord, I tell you to leave the first finger out to make the other chord changes easier. But in this case, we're going to put the first finger on the 5th string, 2nd fret. Your middle finger goes on the 6th string, 3rd fret. Your ring finger is going to hit the 2nd string, 3rd fret, which is a D. It's in the chord, it just makes it sound a little different. And then your pinky is going to go on the 1st string, 3rd fret. You're going to play all 6 strings. Now when you go to the C chord, all we're going to do is move these 2 fingers over. So actually trying to play the E string, sorry. So what you're actually playing is a C9 chord. Which gives it that folky sound. The next chord is an A minor chord. First finger goes on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Middle finger goes on the 4th string, 2nd fret. And the ring finger kind of squeezes behind it on a 3rd string, 2nd fret. And you're going to play 5 strings. Brightly shone the moon that night. Now you see the only difference between an A minor and a C chord is your middle finger. For the A minor it's here, and for the C we just move it up to the 5th string, 3rd fret. Play the same 5 strings. And there you can go back to the regular G. That's a quicker change. And you repeat that 4 times with different lyrics, and you've got Good King Wenceslas. The strumming pattern is a basic 8th note steady beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice rolling feel to it. And I'm muting on 2 and 4 with a palm mute. I'm putting this part of my hand on the strings. Usually I'll kind of pick on the strings a little bit just for a little percussive effect. You might practice doing it. Put your palm on the strings and just click the strings with your pick. Just moving you. This is good strumming practice too because it will help you minimize your arm motion. And there you go. That's all there is to it. It's a fairly simple version. But energetic and lots of fun to do at Christmas parties or coffee shops or wherever you happen to be playing Christmas music. Don't forget to check the links below for the chart for this and other Christmas songs that you might like. This is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been How to Play Good King Wenceslas Americana Style. Thank you for watching.